Hello South Africa. Water supply interruptions in these JHB areas from today. Johannesburg Water warned residents that there will be a 58-hour planned shutdown from today. Over 100 areas will be affected from July 13th. Rand Water said that the shutdown would allow it to tie the A19 and B14 lines with a new pipeline and install isolation valves and apply system upgrades at the Eikenhof pump station. The shutdown was previously planned for last month, but Johannesburg Water said that it requested a postponement in order to provide relief to areas that had been experiencing water supply challenges in the preceding weeks. The shutdown will now occur from 19h00 on Tuesday, July 11, 2023, to 15h00 on Thursday, July 13, 2023. It said that the following reservoirs will be affected: Waterval 1 and 2, Weltevreden, Roodpoort and Meerdale 1 and 2. As part of the shutdown, Johannesburg water infrastructure supplied by the pump will be affected by no supply. Areas receiving water directly from Rand Water will also be affected by the shutdown. Rand Water furthermore said that it would take roughly 5 days or more for the normal water supply to be restored. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.